Hi everybody, it's your favorite professor, Dr. T, back for another video. So, I'm going to search for a topic. Let's do solving for a variable in terms of other variables using addition or subtraction with division. That percentage is kind of low. All right, so it says solving for a variable in terms of the other variables using addition or subtraction with division. So we're solving for the letter B. So what we need to do is we need to move everything away from the letter B. Made a little mistake there. So I am going to first undo the addition next to 10B. So I'm going to subtract 12C from both sides. I don't have much room here, but so we'll do 6 minus 12C, and that's equal to 10B. And then the only thing I can do, because this is 10 times B, is divide both sides by 10. And if I were to simplify, because I can simplify this, so this would be 3 over 5 minus, if I divide both by, so it'd be 6 over 5, and that would be C. Now, I'm not sure how they want this, so I'm going to look at the explanation if they want it in this kind of format. Okay, so they don't. So let me go back to the question. So we leave it in this format right here. We don't need to simplify any further. So I'm going to type that in, make it a fraction first. 6 minus 12C over 10. Okay. All right, let's try another. So this time we are solving for the letter S. So what you want to do, I can even do it right here, add 21R to both sides. And then I'm going to write my result over here. So 14S equals -7 plus 21R. And then the only thing I can do from that point is divide both sides by 14. Now, my professors would have wanted me to put this in simplest forms, but it doesn't seem that ALEKS wants that here, so let's put it in the fraction. -7 plus 21R divided by 14. And let's try one more. So this time we're solving for the letter N. So D is equal to 3m plus 4n. I'm going to subtract 3m from both sides. So D minus 3m, and yes, order does matter, especially if it were numbers in place of, well, we'll just keep it in order because as long as you keep the signs consistent, order does not really matter. But because we are just now learning, we want to keep it in order so it makes sense. So the letter D minus 3m divided by 4 equals n. All right, and as always, thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.